Aloha, namaste. This is Ray, your transformational soul coach. And I am so grateful that you have chosen yourself today to do this beautiful purification practice, a very ancient pranayama called Nadi Shodhan. Nadi means energy channel. We have many of them, two main ones in all three. Your Sushumna Nadi, which is your central energy channel. You have your Ida, which is connected to your right hemisphere of the brain. So you can touch your left shoulder with one hand and take your right hemisphere. So your Ida, or your right hemisphere, is your yin side, your feminine side, the part that is connected to your rest and digestive system. And then your right side of the body is your Pingala. And take your other hand, put it on your left hemisphere of your brain. Yes, just like that. Your Pingala side is your Yang, the fire side, the masculine side, okay? And this is the part that is connected to activity and doing and action, right? So you are constantly alternating between these two hemispheres of the brain and these two nostrils. Even if you check now, place a finger right below your nostrils, breathe, and you should be able to find and notice that one side feels more clear than the other. And based on which side is more clear, that's the side that is more active. Maybe it's going to be either your rest, your digest part, or your activity and action and doing part, all right? So when we breathe in this way, one nostril at a time, you're not just harmonizing and balancing the energies in your body and promoting for better flow and oxygenation and circulation, but you're also clarifying the mind, creating more focus, okay? Raising the energetic vibration of all your cells and your organs. So powerful, all right? Best to do it in the morning, early, or in the evening before you go to bed to settle the nervous system. So we're going to be doing this in two parts. The first part is we will be breathing in through one side for about six rounds. So let us close your right nostril with your right thumb if your dominant hand is the right side. Otherwise, use your dominant hand. And as you very softly, gently seal the right nostril, we're going to exhale out through the left. And inhale through the left side. And as you do, imagine the right side of your brain light up. And let go. Good. Release the hand. And then we will switch. So then with the same hand, use your pinky finger or your ring finger to gently close your left nostril. And here we will do 6 rounds, breathing in and out only from the right nostril. And as you do, visualizing, imagining that side light up and also the left hemisphere of the brain. Let's practice. Let's do it once. Close the left nostril. Exhale out through the right. And inhale right. Nice and slow and easy. Feel that left hemisphere of the brain light up. And exhale out through the right one more time. And let go. Beautiful. So the first round will be one side only. And then the second round of breathing, we'll do 6 rounds of changing the breath and keeping that visualization, okay, of that side of the body being lit with light, beautiful white golden light, and the opposite hemisphere of the brain, all right? So let's begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position. Make sure that you are undisturbed. If you're sitting on a chair, make sure that your feet are pressed firmly onto the ground, just allowing your body to feel the solidity of the earth. Spine nice and tall. One hand resting on your lap and your dominant hand closing your right nostril. We're only breathing in through the left, starting with the exhale. First exhale, all the breath empty. And then breathing in through the left, lighting up the right hemisphere of the brain, your feminine side. And exhale. 2. Let it go. 3. Exhale. 4. Inhale. And let go. 5. Exhale. Last one, slowest, deepest breath you've taken all day, lighting up that left side of the body and the right hemisphere of the brain, connecting it as one. And let it go. Release the hand, relax. Simply notice any sensations, any shift in subtle energies. And then taking your ring or your pinky finger and sealing the left nostril. And let's do 6 rounds of only breathing in from your right side and visualizing this beautiful light, vibrant light, entering the right side and the left hemisphere of the brain. Let's begin. Exhale, right. Inhaling into the right. And let it go. 2. Exhale. 3. Let go. 4. Right side of the body, left side of the brain, lighting up. And let it go. 5. Exhale. 6. Longest, deepest breath you've taken all day into your right side and left hemisphere of the brain, lighting up that masculine, that yang energy, the sun. And exhale. Release the finger. Relax the hand on your lap. Feel. All right, my friends, now let's go to our second round of Nadi Shodhana. This time, we're going to be inhaling from the left, exhaling out through the right, inhaling in through the right, and exhaling out through the left. That is one round. And as we do, remembering to visualize that beautiful, vibrant light, that energy filling in that side of the body and the opposite hemisphere. All right, let's begin. We'll be breathing in and out coherently for around 4 counts. Ready? Sealing the right nostril, close your eyes. Exhale out through the left. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Seal, exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Seal the right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Seal the left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Seal the right, open left and let go, 2, 3, 4. Inhale in, 2, 3, 4. Close the left, open right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, right side of body, 3, 4. Seal the right, open left, 2, 3, 4. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Seal left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Seal the right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4. And continue. For a couple more rounds in your own time and pace. Visualizing that side of the body light up, the opposite hemisphere of the brain. Feeling both sides of the body and the brain start to open up. Your energy field expanded. In whichever round you are on, complete your round by exhaling out through the left. And once you finish, release the hands back on your lap and simply observe, feel. What has shifted in your physical body? What about in your mental realm, the thought realm? Or emotional feeling realm? And once you name that for yourself, bring both your hands into prayer position in front of your beautiful heart. And bow your head to your heart, to yourself, saying thank you to yourself for showing up to practice, to fill your cup, and setting an intention to ripple out this feeling, this state of being, of calmness, of centeredness, of presence, of strength, of clarity, of peace, to every single person, place, space that you meet, that you enter. And then, with a smile on your face, you may slowly open up your eyes, make some gentle movement, release your hands. Maybe roll your shoulders, your fingers, your toes. Ooh. Welcome back. Please share your reflections in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Do subscribe to my channel for more practices, perspectives, and play. And I hope to see you in the next meditation. All my love.